Hello everyone, my name is Kashmir Devi, mother of Ayushman Kaushik. I am an insurance advisor. He is the student of class 2, section D. Now I participate in a solo singing competition sung by Zubin Garg and Bhaswati Bharati, Agoli Anubhav. Agoli Anubhave Nila koi mukh hojale Kusote mur bukute gate galoi bohile Khagorir bahitit anguli tumi thole kahe boroniya laju ki pahare Laze loi lahe koi lore kinu sore Agoli anubhave nila koi mukh hojale Laikhu tahale jale mur pronoy futukiya ghorot Ro lagi tumi sale Rup siya jobone bakhor Boi jua morom modira muloyana Boi jua morom modira muloyana Bukue bukur hote ehezar rundile Kahe boroniya laju ki pahare Laje loi lahe koi lore kinu sore Agoli anubhave nila koi mukh hojale Kusote mur bukure gate galoi bohile